I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
The older I get, the more I realize that people are not as bright as they used to be. Now, I'm talking about dudes from the hood. I understand that I'm a dude from the hood, you know what I'm saying? I'm raised from Cleveland, the east side of Cleveland. I was going to public schools. I actually fought in school a lot. I've been to jail more than 5 times all the time. I've just been to jail a lot. Okay, I got like a criminal record. You talking to a dude that's really familiar with how the streets go down. And for the people out there that's on this channel that don't understand a little bit about what street dudes go through, you just sit down and you listen, because I'm not even really talking to you because you wouldn't really know, but this is good insight to understand what we be going through. Because I know you probably watch the internet and you don't understand like the women and why the men talk like this, and why aren't there a lot of good couples, and why is they toxic, what is wrong with them. Okay, and for my dudes that is from the hood, I'm just venting because I'm kind of sick of what's been going on lately. I understand that I was really bad when I was younger, so I get why y'all act a certain way, but I do want to let y'all know that I'm starting to feel and think that we are like very terrible people as a community. They closed down spring break, and I'm gonna be honest, I've been to spring break lately for the past couple of years, and I kind of know the reason why. I don't even care if I get canceled. It's like, it's whatever. But I just have to tell y'all, I don't like it, and I want y'all to just be aware of it because it's just a little irritating. Spring break been around for a very long time, and I'm not gonna say that was like a white people thing, but I think it was like a white people event. Like white people go down there, they get drunk, have fun, they do their little partying. But for some reason, man, I'm not trying to blame us for nothing, but like you the ghetto people, you know what I mean? The ghetto chicks, y'all went down there for spring break to turn up and now they putting sanctions on everything. They putting a curfew. They saying that we catch y'all smoking marijuana, y'all getting locked in jail, no more alcohol on the beach. I just feel like we just ruined it for everybody by going down there acting the ass, man. Now, why are we acting the ass? I tell people all the time in my friend group that I feel like we a little retarded. I don't know what the hell be going on. I just always realize, like when I'm talking to like dudes from the hood that I used to be friends with, that we have like this mantra that we don't care. And if you're from the hood, you know what I'm talking about. You ever argue with somebody, like somebody really pissed you off, right? They pissed you off and you trying to tell them about themselves, but it's like they don't care that they did something wrong to you. Like they don't care. Or somebody is going through something traumatic and they literally telling you how they finna commit a crime. Like somebody might have talked about them crazy, so they're making a decision to go beat that person up. You know, that's a hood thing. Somebody talked to us crazy and we assault them, like physical assault. We will beat you up based on the way you talk to us. When you tell that person, like, why you finna go do that, their decision is locked in, okay? They saying things like, I don't care no more, I'm gonna show them, yeah, I don't give a fuck about nobody. They don't care, bro. I had a conversation with this girl about bonnets, and she was upset with me that I think it's ghetto that girls wear bonnets. I'm like, bro, that's mad ghetto. Like, I'm growing to not be as ghetto as I used to be. Like, I'm still kind of hood. I still kind of do my little thing. But she just, like, was really okay with wearing bonnets. And I'm trying to tell her why I think bonnets is kind of fraud. I'm like, look, man, it's just a dress code where you go places, and bonnets is just not a part of the dress code. I told her, I'm like, because I took her to go get some wine. I took her to go wine tasting. And when she went in there, she only seen older people at this wine tasting place called Cooper Hawks, right? We in there, we tasting the wine, and it's real fancy. And she said that, I'm surprised I didn't see nobody around our age at this wine tasting place. And I'm trying to tell her, I'm like, I'm only 25, but I'm really mature. I'm really mature, so I can take you because you're really mature to this place. And I was trying to tell her, like, you don't see nobody our age at this type of place because this type of place repel that bullshit. Like, it only costed $25 to go taste all these wines. That's really affordable to like the girls that wear bonnets, but they don't go to this place because they don't conduct themselves in a manner that this place will suffice. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you wouldn't see no girl in a place like this fancy, wearing a bonnet, bro. And that's all I'm saying, is that these women that's wearing the bonnets is going to these fancy places, embarrassing everybody. You wouldn't wear no bonnet to church. You wouldn't wear no bonnet to court. So why are you wearing a bonnet to like the airport or the mall? It's just certain places where it's like, why are you wearing that? And I'm talking to the hood people. You might be people out there that's like, what the hell is a bonnet? Whatever. But it's just like, that's just kind of flow, man. And I'm just kind of like in this mode where I want to talk to my dudes out there. I remember I just posted my girl on my story, bro. And y'all done dealt with so many messed up women that because I'm happy in my little relationship, y'all just like mad negative. You feel me? Y'all would say really derogatory things like, why are you with that hoe? She probably got hella bodies. She's a slut. I'm like, man, you never even met her. Like, damn. You know what I'm saying? You never met my lady ever in life. And for you to be talking like that, it's like, I don't know if I just gave off the impression that I was y'all's best friend, but I'm not. You feel me? Like, I don't find none of that type of shit funny, man. I don't slide on other girls. I mean, other dudes post and talk about how I think they girl a hoe. Like the disrespect that we got in our community is just so crazy. But I'm saying all that to say, I blame it not being fathers in the house. I'm gonna make it my job, and I'm doing like a little service announcement where I'm gonna try to get us to keep our fathers in the house. Y'all black ass, ghetto ass kids need to get punched in the nose, punched in the chest, slammed on his neck, because y'all crazy and y'all out of hand, man. I know I'm talking about corporal punishment and I'm being funny, but I'm just joking. But I'm basically trying to tell y'all, like, y'all really need like some discipline and some structure. I didn't have discipline and structure growing up because my dad died when I was 7 years old. My mom lost custody of me when I was like 3. I was around my grandma. I was around people I didn't respect and I didn't fear because it was just women. And I feel like if a lot of men, and I think men can only teach men and women can't do it because I'm a product of that. I had to be around in the hood to get taught how to be a man. So I'm saying all this to say, I'm finna push dads being in their goddamn kids' life. I want all y'all watching this show and this channel to understand I'm on y'all ass. We are going to make the black community not look like the shittiest damn community of all goddamn time, man. By putting structure and putting respect back on our name, bro. We don't got no type of representatives that can represent us in a good way, except like Obama. That's like one person out of a bill. What the fuck? That's only like one person, man. We need more leaders in the black community. I know I kind of be a little raunchy, but I'm trying to clean my image up. But my goal is to get black love, black together. I want to get the females to love us good and treat us great and actually be females. And I want us to actually be men to them. I just want us to be great. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much y'all try to make it seem like it's fuck bitches or whatever, y'all would love to have your dad and your mom in your life the whole time you went to school and when you graduated, and you wish to this day your mom and dad was together and you can come to them about how to be in a relationship. You can come to them about when you need problems. Y'all wish your mom and dad was in your life, and the only reason we can get back to that is if we get the man to be a man and to hold shit down, then we can get the woman to not be so eager to leave a man. And that's what the hell I'm about to be working on. And y'all stay tuned, bro, because I'm about to change everything, me single-handedly. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm Big Boss, man. But in the meantime, smell good, look good, be good, and be fly. But we got some things we gonna talk about, and y'all gonna come along for this ride. Okay, I'm Big Boss. I love y'all, and I'm